What is it?
It's very...
Oh, did you get him another Angry Bird?
Wow.
From Santa, from Grandma and Grandpa.
Santa? Awesome!
Grandma and Grandpa Santa.
Oh, man! No way, Jacob, look! What is it?
It's a good thing.
It's a backpack! Look, it's a backpack! It's an Angry Bird backpack!
Good.
Give him a kiss!
Oh, good.
Oh, Angry Bird backpack! Oh, boy! See, open? See, look, you can open that. Oops! See, zipper. Oh, there's... Wow! Awesome! Oh, there's nothing in there. It's just, that's how it opens. Angry Bird backpack. See, look, let's put it on. Look, see? It's a backpack. Oh, boy! Needs to be tightened up. Hold on.
That sure is cool.
No way!
No, she's not.
Get that hair in there too. Go up a little bit.
I got him.
Hi.
No, you're not getting the top of his head.
But tomatoes. Tuesday. Oh, Tuesdays. Oh, Tuesdays.